You've built an online store with a great catalog, but there's a problem. Your products are invisible. With weak titles and descriptions that lack SEO, you aren't just missing keywords. You're losing sales every single minute. Welcome to ShopiUp. Developed by SEO veterans with 12 years of experience mastering search algorithms and LLM rankings. We've done the heavy lifting so you don't have to. With just one click, our AI applies deep neuromarketing and cognitive bias training to your catalog, turning boring descriptions into high-converting sales machines. Total control is in your hands. Customize your catalog in multiple languages, select the perfect brand voice, and choose the ideal content length. Every detail is precision engineered to skyrocket your sales and dominate rankings across search engines and AI platforms alike. Stop wasting hours on manual updates. With our bulk optimization feature, you can transform your entire catalog at once, while the AI handles the heavy lifting. Reclaim your time to focus on what truly matters, serving your customers and scaling your operations. Try ShopiUp today with 10 free credits. Stop writing manual descriptions that don't sell. Let AI drive your growth instead.